Look, you're opening your own stores. You got 22 of them now. Thought behind it? कितने स्केल से कितने स्पेस से शुरू किया एसजी ने?
My grandfather and his brother started very small from a maybe one room factory.
You think it matters certain craftsmen making a bat?
Bat, na, it's not so much about the bat making or the technology that you have or the quality of good that you have. जो अच्छा है वो सब बेच रहे हैं. How do you sell which is not an excellent bat or a brilliant product?
वो आर्ट है. ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस था भैया
हाँ जी.
कि मुझे अभी अपने ब्रांड पे ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए, ये कैसे आया?
From day one, I wanted to do that, but then we lost a big account, a big buyer in UK.
How do you decide that कि इतनी प्रोडक्शन या इतना स्टॉक होना चाहिए इस प्रोडक्ट में?
You learn from experience.
क्यों मांगते हैं लोग कि ऐसे ही चाहिए?
रेड बॉल में आपको सीम यूज करनी पड़ती है. मशीन मेड में वो सस्टेनेबल नहीं रहती.
हर साल वो शेयर बढ़ रहा है तो आपका शेयर भी उसमें 20 से 25, 25 से 30 होते रहना चाहिए.
Some years it grows, some years it goes down. जब नए ब्रांड आ जाते हैं तो वो हमारा शेयर ले जाते हैं.
Yeah, thank you so much for taking out time.
Pleasure.
So, we talk about your journey today. We talk about how SG has been finding a way in cricket sector, especially. 1931 में शुरू हुई है, मेरे को 35 लगता था. 1931 से you started.
हाँ जी.
So I would want to know a little bit कि journey start कहाँ से हुई?
My grandfather, Mr. Kedarnath Anand, and his brother Dwarkanath Anand, they established Sanseville company in pre-independent 1931. Sialkot mein.
Oh wow.
And they were obviously not only making cricket, but they were making football, tennis rackets, badminton rackets, hockey, और cricket ball भी बनती. मतलब when they started with that. फिर उसके बाद obviously partition हो गया. The family had to move. अमृतसर पहुंच गए. फिर अमृतसर से relocate करके आगरा से फिर पता चला कि there was an option to go to Jalandhar or an option to go to Meerut.
जलंधर आ जाते हुए.
तो हम लोग मेरठ चूज कर लिया.
Okay.
और भी बहुत सारे फैमिलीज मेरठ आई थी क्योंकि यहाँ पे एलोकेशन हो गई थी
Okay.
फॉर पीपल रिलोकेटिंग फ्रॉम सियालकोट. बस उसके बाद फिर
What is his name? Sansparels. I used to think SG is Sunil Gavaskar पहले के times में. Then got to know it's you and your family. What is the Sansparels Greenlands?
सो ग्रीनलैंड्स तो बड़ा जेनेरिक नाम हो गया ना, जैसे ग्रीनलैंड, ग्रीन, हरा भरा. यू वुड नोटिस अ लॉट ऑफ वी आर वेरी
हरियाली पूरी
पैशनेट
है.
अबाउट
जी.
ग्रीनरी है.
Love.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो सांपरे क्या था, एक फ्रेंच वर्ड है. So when my
मैं हिंदी
father was traveling, my grandfather was traveling to Europe. In France, he saw a store. उस पे लिखा होता सांपरे. So you asked a few people what is the meaning. So they said this means unparalleled. तो उन्होंने कहा यार ये नाम बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. That we call it unparalleled and call it in French only. तो वहां से ये नाम पड़ गया.
Wow. ऐसी कोई values जो आपके दादाजी करते थे, then your dad used to do it and now you also still follow and you're telling your son as well.
So the one thing that is at the core of SG was, they were very, very professional in their dealing. चाहे वो communication हो, चाहे honoring commitments है, or meeting timelines, ensuring that if you've committed something, वो deliver होना चाहिए. तो वो वाला attitude starting from my grandfather to my father's generation to my generation and then of course the next generation की बस वो discipline रहना चाहिए.
सबसे बड़ा challenge being in a family business which you saw कि यार it is challenging. सबके लिए होता है. अब लगता बहुत आसान है कि जी प्लेटफॉर्म दे दिया दादाजी ने फिर पापा ने, पर it is challenging at times.
Yeah, it is.
One of the challenge which you faced and how did you cope up with it?
See, the challenge was when you start early in your 20s, so you want to do a lot of things.
So 2000 is when you joined and you were 20.
I was 22 years old. So there are a lot of things that you want to do. You want to bring in new systems, you want to bring in new technology, but then because it was already almost a 80-year-old business, तो वहाँ अपनी चीजें अपने हिसाब से चलती हैं. That understanding that and understanding the culture was very important. And वो ना overnight नहीं होता. That you can't say कि it will happen in a year, 2 years, 3 years. That is a very long process because it's an old establishment. So that was the challenge.
और
और उसके लिए solution क्या था? बस patience. धीरे धीरे धीरे.
and the group had an open mind, like your elders. You also had it, as you said, के patience के साथ ही things
हाँ,
can
मतलब
move.
I would give the credit to my father's generation that they gave me that space. मतलब they obviously said, okay, this is the area where you should focus on, which I did, and then उसके बाद धीरे 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 there were changes happening, but वो changes बहुत जल्दी नहीं हो रहे थे. वो changes बहुत slow हो रहे थे, and वही challenge होता है, when you get into a family business कि बस वो जो pace है change की, अगर वो slow है, then you have to have that patience.
Wow, nice. Coming into 1981, is when you started making bats. अच्छा.
हाँ जी.
Okay. कैसे शुरू किया भैया? अच्छा, पहले I would want to know factory. How big was the factory? अभी तो it's one of the dream factories for a lot of manufacturers. कितने स्केल से, कितने स्पेस से शुरू किया एस जी ने? And
so in fact you would be surprised to learn when we were in Sialkot, like my grandfather and his brothers started very small from a maybe one room factory.
अच्छा.
Partition तक होते होते they had a 2-acre factory over there,
वो तेरी.
and they had like a massive bungalow that they had built, and they were orphans, both of them.
Oof.
They had lived with their uncle. Uncle had a sports shop, so they used to train, work in his sports shop. वहां से वो uncle का business छोड़ के अपना start किया, and they built a 2-acre factory, and there was this massive bungalow they built. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Because they did that in a very short period, like 15-16 years. और उसके बाद फिर then they had to move and start all over again.
Yeah. सब कुछ छोड़ के आना और शुरू करना is not easy.
Yeah.
But you guys did it again.
So they had done it once, they did it again.
Bat making, how, क्या फिर सेटअप, यहाँ का सेटअप was कितना मिला आपको?
हाँ, sorry, your question was
इंडिया में कितना?
हाँ, तो जो
was
जब यहाँ पे आए थे तो we were allocated in Meerut a plot of about 1,000 square yards. तो वो allocation में आ गया था, वही घर था, वहीं पे फैक्ट्री थी, वहीं सब कुछ होता था, and so it was built from that 1,000 square yard plot, which is still with us.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो हमारा हेड ऑफिस अभी भी वहीं पे ही है.
I think मैं पहले वहीं गया हूँ.
No, that's another setup.
Okay.
That is in the city, heart of the city.
Superb. And bat making में started with
Bat making
Clef
में
story.
पहले white labeling start हुई थी, and then
तब लकड़ी बाहर से
आ रही थी, and we were making it. We started making for international brands. फिर वो breakthrough आया where we signed the Little Master in '84.
सुनील गावस्कर.
फिर उसके बाद से then we kept, even though we were not marketing it aggressively in India, but we were scaling up production. And we were, I think by late 80s, we were the largest producer of cricket bats from India. तो बहुत जल्दी थी journey, starting in 81 to late 80s, getting Mr. Gavaskar on board, and we were number one. उस टाइम Simons होता था एक brand, I don't know if you've heard of it. है ना?
Yeah.
तो हमने Simons को replace किया था as the leader in bat making और bat selling.
ऐसा होता है भैया कि कभी जैसे एक टाइम पे आप लीडर हो, फिर कोई और लीडर आया. Why does that happen, and how do you then again push for it?
Actually होता है वही है, as a brand, you're always learning and improving. So it will be very difficult for you to lose your position or your market share. But the moment you take things lightly and you're like, boss, I'm a, let's say, whoever is at that position, whichever brand, whichever company, whichever industry, चाहे वो mobile phones, Nokia था, या there was a television brand in India, Onida, हमें कितना strong brand था. But if you don't change with time and you don't innovate and you don't stay relevant and improving, तो वो तो हो ही जाएगा. वो तो फिर
So that is the reason why
it's more to do with the mindset that replacement happens.
Well, भाई, सबसे पहली signing was Sunil Gavaskar, the Little Master. The thought behind it and any story we have, intriguing one.
So very interesting story. Gavaskar sir was obviously using international brands, English brands, and we had, as a brand, started supplying him batting gloves. तो उनको बैटिंग ग्लव बड़े पसंद आ गए थे कि यार ये एजी के ग्लव बड़े कंफर्टेबल है, which he was not getting from the other brand. So he said, okay, I'll start using your batting glove. तो वो बैटिंग ग्लव से स्टार्ट हुआ, and our friendship was built over a period of time, because when you start servicing, then you have that association which is built. And then his contract was up for renewal, and at that time he was in England playing a test series and he got injured. So when he was injured, he was staying in a hotel, and my uncle, Mr. Karen, who was also there for business trip, so he was based there. He found out that Gavaskar is not playing and he's injured. So what he did was, he said, and he used to finish his meeting, and Gavaskar sir was obviously not going to the ground to play, so he used to stay in the hotel. So my uncle used to go. At that time, it wasn't like how things are today. Security, this, you can't get into their room.
Yeah.
They have their own protocol, and
Yeah.
you can't interact with them. Us time kuch nahi tha. So he used to go and meet him all 5 days of the test match, because Mr. Gavaskar was not playing, and he used to just go and a friendly talk with no other agenda. Just that I finished my work, I've come, I'm sitting. They had a long discussion, and then by the end of it, when his contract was up for renewal, we approached him through a common friend, and then he said, "Yeah, I really believe in Karen. Like, he's a good man. I trust him. He's made my glove. I'll be happy to use his bat." And he said, "Okay, I'll go ahead. I will leave my, there were big contracts at that time also for him, for somebody like his stature, who's the leading run scorer in the world."
Yeah.
So I said, "Okay, yeah, I will go ahead. I want to have a discussion." Then he said, "This is what the deal is." My uncle and my father and my second uncle, they were like, "We can offer him a lifelong contract." They came up with that concept of offering him a lifelong contract, although we were not matching what he was getting, but he would have eventually got a lot more than what he would have got from that brand for 3-4 years or 5 years that he was playing.
Lifelong contract is him playing till he plays, and after that some revenue in his range.
That is again marginal, but the deal maker here was that 1 week of staying together.
Yeah.
So it wasn't the amount that he would have lost or he would have made by staying with us, but it was just that 1 week and that friendship that happened.
वो personal connect player का comes with the brand.
It's like a marriage.
Yeah, super. Look, you opened your own stores. You got 22 of them now. Thought behind it?
See, thought is very simple. From being just a cricket brand, we want SG to be the sports brand from India, right? And how do you create, again, that perception in the consumer's mind? You want, for starters, modern retail, and you want to give that experience, that exposure to the brand. Because you walk into a store, there is good display of your product, your story, or, so it's actually, again, related to having an influence on the consumer's mindset. उसको वो experience देना, जो उसको एक global brand देता है, वो हम उसको cricket में, we are probably the first brand in the world who's reached that scale of having 22 exclusive stores.
Are they profitable?
Some are not.
So you're prepared for that?
Yeah, that's part and parcel. That is part and parcel of retail. If you ask any brand which is there in retail, a new brand, like we're new in retail, we're just 3-4 years old. So any new brand in retail, to get profitability is at this stage really tough for a lot of brands, even international brands. If you talk to the top brands, global brands who are in India, they would say the same thing. Not every store for them is profitable, but they still have it.
And जो आपके retailers उस market में already SG बेच रहे तो उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ा?
We're not competing with them.
Okay.
The retailers or our dealers or our wholesalers, they are selling at a different price point. We are not discounting.
Okay, there's no discount.
There are some offers, but not the same level of discounts that you have in the trade. वो कंज्यूमर को भी पता है कि अगर मैं आज एसजी के डीलर के पास जाऊंगा
थोड़ा
तो
ज्यादा
मुझे बेटर प्राइस मिलेगी, बट मैं स्टोर में जाऊंगा तो मुझे वो प्राइस नहीं मिलेगी. सो देयर इज नो कंपटीशन देयर, वी आर को एग्जिस्टिंग, एंड आवर डेटा सजेस्ट दैट द मार्केट्स दैट वी ओपनड आवर स्टोर actually it has helped to grow our
retailer
market share.
Brilliant. Whose idea was that? You taking nice, great way. Sportswear is like diversifying your brand. A lot of brand listeners who want to start or are currently selling their own brand, but you're diversifying as a brand. कि हम सिर्फ क्रिकेट में नहीं है, doing more sports. Psyche behind it, and how are you able to do it successfully? कि it's a process.
No, it is quite successful now.
Okay.
And mindset बड़ा simple है बॉस. एक बार आप brand हो, then let's say I don't play cricket. So as SG, as a brand, you're not servicing me because I don't need your gloves or your pads, your thigh pad. But if I am going to the gym or if I'm playing tennis and I like your sportswear and I believe in your brand, I become your consumer. So I have become a consumer for SG now that I'm in sportswear and footwear and accessories and fitness and more to come than if I'm only playing cricket. So if that brand has to grow, you cannot just grow in one sport and just the equipment category.
Love the mindset behind it. Has it happened कि प्रोडक्ट आपने फोर्स किया अपने रिटेलर्स को कि भाई इसको थोड़ा माल बेच, इसका थोड़ा मार्केट बना? क्योंकि अगर आपके पास 1000 रिटेलर है, उसमें से 600-700 बोलेगा भैया नहीं चाहिए, जो चाहिए वो दे दो, मेरा इतना ही बजट है. बट कई बारी करती है एसजी, मतलब अभी ऑब्वियसली आई एम अ न्यू ब्रांड, मुझे तो नहीं ये चीज जस्ट मतलब सही लगती, बट आई कैन नॉट एज वेल. अभी एसजी कैन एट टाइम्स. क्या आप करते हैं ये चीज?
नहीं, हम लोग we try to use it as a last resort. First and foremost, whatever you are producing should move out from that retail outlet to the consumer, benefit the consumer so that he comes back again and creates demand for the product. तो आप अगर forced sell ज़्यादा करोगे ना, it'll come back and bite you in the long term, because if the dealer is not able to sell that excess inventory, that will hurt his pocket. If you're hurting his pocket, he will then come back and hurt your pocket.
And if it is a bad stock at your warehouse,
you have to find ways, boss. आज बहुत तरीके हैं. अपनी वेबसाइट पे बेचो, किसी give it to a wholesaler at a throwaway price. There are several ways, but then you have to come back and gauge कि boss मेरा कितना margin जा रहा है, and then rethink your plan. Maybe the demand is not for 1000 pieces. The demand is only for 500. Be profitable, make 500.
How do you plan? कि इतना, suppose be it a new bat range you just launched. So you want to have a certain quantity in mind. मतलब पहले वो होनी चाहिए कि इतना माल होगा, इतना माल निकलेगा. How do you decide that कि इतनी प्रोडक्शन या इतना स्टॉक होना चाहिए इस प्रोडक्ट में?
You learn from experiences. Sometimes you overestimate, overproduce. Sometimes you underproduce. Methodology बड़ी simple है. Test the waters, do a small pilot, gauge, and then take a call. Rather than coming with a plan कि नहीं यार मेरे को 1000 ही बेचने हैं या 10,000 ही बेचने हैं. So you just test market, and then you build from there.
Brilliant. भैया आप OEM पहले करते थे काफी, and then you got into pushing your own brand. Is it true?
Yes, it is true. So when I joined the business in 2000, that time 85% of our business was OEM business.
अच्छा, हाँ, 85%. Wow.
Yeah. And over a period of time, like we realized that way forward, especially in the domestic market, जिस तरीके से domestic market grow कर रही थी, कि बहुत बड़ी opportunity थी. And lo and behold, if you see our business today, 85% is domestic and only 15% is export, which is OEM business.
Wow. ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस था भैया,
हाँ जी,
कि मुझे अभी अपने ब्रांड पे ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए, ये कैसे आया? Was it only you or was it your elders also saying कि हमें यार?
So there is a story to it.
Okay.
फ्रॉम डे वन आई वांटेड टू डू दैट कि अपना ब्रांड थोड़ा सा प्रमोट करना चाहिए. बट देन वी लॉस्ट अ बिग अकाउंट इन 2004-5, अ बिग बायर इन यूके.
Okay.
तो उससे क्या हुआ, पूरा स्ट्रेटजी शिफ्ट हो गया. So the board also, obviously, you know, they had a say when 85% of our business was coming from from OEMs.
Yeah.
तो जब वो एक हिट मिला तो मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखी. मैं कहा, अब हमारे पास कैपेसिटी भी है, अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है. सो वो टाइमिंग जो थी ना, एक बार को वो गुड लक थी हमारी.
उससे पहले एसजी का बॉल इंडियन क्रिकेट में नहीं चलता था.
एसजी बॉल वाज अप्रूव्ड. एसजी बॉल वाज अप्रूव्ड फ्रॉम
From
1992.
ओके,
हाँ.
1992.
हाँ, बॉल तब भी अप्रूव था, बट हमारा इतना एग्रेसिव मार्केटिंग नहीं था डोमेस्टिक मार्केट में.
Okay.
सो दैट चेंज, अपॉर्चुनिटी, अवेलेबल कैपेसिटी, और फिर फ्रॉम 2005-6 वी स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग आवर डोमेस्टिक बिजनेस.
Yes, since you joined, प्रोडक्ट में चेंज आया और was it more branding and marketing?
प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो चेंज्ड, यू नो,
So-
बिकॉज जो क्रिकेट बैट इंडिया में चाहिए था, to a cricket bat that was probably needed in markets like Australia, South Africa, New Zealand, was completely different.
So I'm here to learn.
हाँ.
और साथ में व्यूअर्स भी मेरे सीखेंगे और lot of cricketers will learn
हाँ.
difference of an Indian making bat
Yeah.
to an to supplying there.
बहुत basic difference था. One was bats which were being exported were very light. तो अगर light bat है तो वो thin bat होता
End
था.
होता है.
यहाँ पे ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया. यहाँ पे we had somebody like Tendulkar playing, we had people like Sehwag, we had the Yuvrajas. इन लोगों ने मारना शुरू किया, so they needed more meat in the bat.
Okay.
वो more meat in the bat and that followed with a bow in the bat. वो सारा गेम चेंज हो गया. So the international market was stuck on weight. बस उनको वेट ही चाहिए था. पहली चीज थी वेट. बैट का वेट होना चाहिए 1150 ग्राम बस. यहाँ पे वो ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया. If everybody knows
Yeah,
that.
because of the
Sachin
game.
Baji's bat was 1300 grams, right?
Yeah.
Somebody like Virender Sehwag would use 1180 grams as well. तो वो ट्रेंड चेंज हो गया कि बस अब ना हमको पावर चाहिए, पंच चाहिए, एंड प्लेयर्स आर आल्सो बिकमिंग मोर एथलेटिक, स्ट्रॉन्गर.
Yeah.
एंड हमारी विकेट्स भी ऐसी थी,
Yeah.
यू नो, आवर विकेट्स वर कंड्यूसिव टू स्लाइटली हेवियर बैट्स. तो वो चेंज हुआ, प्रोडक्ट भी चेंज हो गया पूरा. अब आप देखोगे इवन द बैट्स दैट आर बीइंग एक्सपोर्टेड नाउ दे आर सेइंग इंडियन शेप बना के भेजो.
Ah.
तो इंग्लैंड बैट इंडियन शेप जा रहा है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया बैट इंडियन शेप जा रहा है. सो इंडियन शेप हैज एक्चुअली टेकन ओवर द ग्लोबल मार्केट.
So they are not preferring. पे मुझे याद है कर्व भी कम होती थी, प्रेसिंग भी कम होती थी फॉर एक्सपोर्ट. अभी सब कुछ they wanted similar.
हाँ.
Is what
हाँ.
you have seen and now I have also seen
So
it.
IPL is one platform where everybody comes, you know, all the top players come.
Yeah.
और जब वो देखते हैं ना इंडियन बैट्स, तो गोरे भी पागल हो जाते हैं, कहते हैं सानू भी यही चाहिए.
And for the balls, the change was now we cannot go today to the bat factory कुछ चल रहा है आपके construction and but balls we are seeing today.
हाँ.
And for the balls the change was
बॉल्स में ऑनेस्टली कंस्ट्रक्शन में ज्यादा चेंज नहीं आया, क्योंकि बॉल अभी भी वैसे ही वही कोर है, वैसे ही लेदर प्रोसेस होता है, वैसे ही स्टिचिंग होती है. वी विल हैव अ लुक एट हाउ लेदर बॉल्स आर बीइंग स्टिच्ड ट्रेडिशनली, बट डेफिनेटली with the sport evolving, ball has evolved in the sense that cricket balls today, they are expected to travel a bit more. They are expected to stay harder for longer. तो वो चेंज है. उसके अलावा इतना ज्यादा चेंज कंस्ट्रक्शन में नहीं आया. बॉल अभी भी उसी तरीके से बन रही है, और only thing is that, you know, people now expect the ball to stay harder because bowler को भी होता है कि मेरे को bounce मिलेगा, and for batter also white ball cricket उसको है कि बॉस मैंने मार दिया तो वो travel करनी चाहिए.
so you say about change with the cork inside has changed, that
Core construction.
core construction has changed. You would want to know from scratch कि भाई क्या क्या हम करते हैं. Wow. It's all hand stitch.
Yes, and also a bit of mix of both, but primarily बहुत traditional है.
Indian market especially everybody wants hand stitch, right?
Yes.
And export में it's percentage wise.
Actually the change आ रहा है ना in the mindset is red ball and white ball. अलग ही cricket हो गई है. So that is the change. And if we look at how the red ball is constructed, how it behaves, is totally different to a white ball. और स्पोर्ट भी चेंज हो गया, यू नो. एंड नाउ अगर आप स्पोर्ट भी देखते हो तो यू आर सीइंग दैट जो व्हाइट बॉल में मास्टर है, पीपल हु आर प्लेइंग,
some are red ball players, some are white ball players, and then there is bracket for each player.
तो प्रोडक्ट भी चेंज हो गया और प्लेयर भी चेंज हो गया. सो दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनी मेकर ऑफ द बैट और द बॉल, एटलीस्ट इन क्रिकेट. क्या स्पोर्ट बदल गया.
तो एक टेल मी नाउ फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, क्या हम समझ सकते हैं एंड व्हाट मेक्स एसजी बॉल डिफरेंट टू ऑल द अदर ब्रांड्स? अभी एसजी की मोनोपोलीज आई वुड से कि द क्वालिटी यू गाइस कीप इट कंसिस्टेंटली. None of the brands are able to do it. I think market share wise 80% is SG, especially Indian cricket, or more.
Sorry, इतना नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
नहीं. The bigger market is, you know, your cricket academy, and who would know about it than you, right?
जी.
वहाँ पे आपको ऐसे नहीं दिखेगा. Because
Everyone
obviously
wants to
because
see
of budgets and, you know, sustainability, people use local.
But you never thought of picking a cheaper one?
चल रही है वो भी R&D चल रही है.
Okay.
So the, you know, this is the first stage of stitching that happens, you know, after cutting. तो ये 4-piece ball बन रही है.
Yeah.
एंड इसमें आपका ना 2 क्वार्टर्स हैं जिनको ये लोग स्टिच कर रहे हैं.
इससे पहले भी प्रोसेस है ऑफ लेदर को प्रोक्योर करके वो जो हम
सो लेदर इज टैंड. ओनली थिंग दैट वी डू इज वी कट इट ओवर हियर.
ओके.
दैट्स द प्रोसेस दैट वी
बट द
डू.
सीक्रेट मस्ट बी द लेदर टैनिंग एज वेल. किसका कौन सा लेदर आप कैसे प्रोक्योर करें? जैसे हम ग्लव में कौन सा पार्ट काट रहे हैं,
करेक्ट.
सिमिलर फॉर द लेदर बॉल.
लेदर इज द क्रिकेट बॉल इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन लेदर. मेन चीज ही उसकी लेदर है. उसके बाद स्किल आता है, यू नो, द स्किल ऑफ हाउ डू यू स्टिच. करता रहो. So this is the process, the first process where
They are stitching both the different cups.
और एक कप बन जाता है.
Okay.
So that's the first process. And then once the cup is ready, what they do is they will.
Everyone is doing पूरी लाइन में चेन वर्क में कप ही चल रहा है. ये वाला पूरा सेक्शन कप ही बना रहा है.
That cup then is pressed here. और वो थोड़ा ज्यादा शेप बॉल का ले लेता. तो दिस इज obviously a white ball, so it has been painted and then pressed. Red is directly because वो डाइड लेदर है, उसी पे आप उसको प्रेस कर देते हैं. So this is the next step where the cup is created. And then after this, you put the core in between 2 cups.
Yeah.
And you stitch it.
Yeah. How many balls you make in a day?
All put together, we are doing about 3,000 balls in a day.
Wow.
3,000 balls in a day.
And mixed of Indian market, export market, OEM, सब कुछ मिला के.
So once the cup is ready and the core is ready, they just place the core and they stitch it over here.
Yeah.
This is called the center stitch. मतलब आप center stitch भी बोल सकते हो.
Yeah.
हमारी टर्मिनोलॉजी में इसे जुड़ाई कहते हैं. बॉल की जुड़ाई.
Okay. ये जुड़ाई की गेम है मेन. जो क्राफ्टमैनशिप है, हम हर प्रोडक्ट में कहते हैं ना कि उसका हाथ अच्छा चलता है इस चीज में, उस चीज में, बैट में.
ये कोर है. This is the heart of the ball. If you get this right, 90% of the job is done. ये ले बेटा. So once this is done, the final stage is where he is stitching the seam now.
This cannot be automated at all.
It is automated also.
But then it is not called hand stitch. क्यों मांगते हैं लोग कि हैंड स्टिच चाहिए मशीन अगर ऑटोमेटेड है?
जो सीम है ना, जो रेड बॉल में आपको सीम यूज करनी पड़ती है
और इसके ऊपर को
फॉर ग्रिपिंग फॉर अ स्पिनर एंड ऑफ कोर्स फॉर द फास्ट बॉलर. और वो प्रोनाउंस सीम रहेगी even after 50 overs, 60 overs, 70 overs, machine made में वो सस्टेनेबल नहीं रहता.
पर ये जो अपराइट सीम या जो ये वाली सीम है, कभी ऑटोमेशन में अभी तक नहीं आई है. यू थिंक इल चेंज?
It may happen eventually, but अभी तो बहुत दूर हैं लोग वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए. तो व्हाइट बॉल, वी ऑल्सो मेक व्हाइट बॉल, एंड व्हाइट बॉल टेक्नोलॉजी बिल्कुल फर्क है. वो मशीन से बनती है, सीम मशीन से आती है, एंड आफ्टर यूसेज, यू नो, मे बी आफ्टर 15-20 ओवर्स वो सीम एकदम फ्लैट हो जाती है. तो फॉर इवन फॉर अ पेस बॉलर और अ स्पिनर
वो इफेक्टिवनेस खत्म हो
ग्रिप
जाती
नहीं रहती स्पिनर के लिए, और वो पेस बॉलर के लिए वो सीम नहीं रहती है. सो लाइक आई सेड, यू नो, टोटली डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. रेड इज डिफरेंट product, white is a different product, made differently. Red is made traditionally, white is made on machine.
है. या coming back to now, he is doing the outer part stitching.
ये सीम बना रहा है.
Okay.
अब ये सीम स्टिच हो रही है, which is in a white ball is purely cosmetic, but in a red ball it actually makes a difference because it holds the ball together. It's not just the center stitch, वो सीम भी पकड़ रही है through and through.
देख कई बार होता है कि नया बॉल ही है, बॉल लगी, थोड़ी सी सीम इधर उधर हो जाती है, ये वाली वो क्यों होती है?
वो होती है लेदर की वीकनेस की वजह से.
नॉट द थ्रेड. धागे में इशू नहीं है,
लेदर की वीकनेस
लेदर छोड़ देता है.
ये
ज्यादा बारीकियों में चला गया क्योंकि अभी सम सीक्रेट और समथिंग you guys are doing right. Maybe then the leather is the thing. Any ball maker listening is the leather quality maintained by you guys as well, is one of your big strengths. So after this, what is next, भैया?
बेटा सिली हुई बॉल पड़ी है. So this is
Wow.
where we get to. Once the stitching is done, उसके बाद ये शेप और ब्रांडिंग एंड पॉलिश के लिए चली जाती है.
Okay.
Pretty much making of a cricket ball. ये लो बेटा.
There was an issue happened few years back when some Indian seniors were also saying कि the ball में कुछ फर्क आ रहा है. It was quickly not maintained और थोड़ा खराब जल्दी हो रहा था. Were you able to found the cause? And
So वो cause सिर्फ plain था that, you know, talking about test cricket और red ball cricket, उसमें भी change आ गया है. रेड बॉल क्रिकेट में भी अब आप देखोगे विद द बैट्समैन थिंग हैपनिंग और विद हाउ मैचेस वर गेटिंग ओवर इन 3 days 4 days. पहले ड्रॉ होते थे, अब ड्रॉ ही नहीं होता. तो द बैट्समैन दे बिकम एग्रेसिव नाउ. तो टेस्ट क्रिकेट हैज आल्सो बीन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय व्हाइट बॉल क्रिकेट, बाय योर वन डेज एंड योर T20. वो चेंज आ गया. जब वो चेंज आया तो बैट्समैन को था बॉल शुड ट्रैवल लाइक अ वाइट बॉल ट्रैवल. बॉलर को था बाउंस होना चाहिए. So it was that pace and we changed it immediately.
it was not the leather. मतलब what I have heard again is the leather was some issue and you changed it to now shifted to English leather. ऐसा कुछ है?
There was no leather issue. No, what he was. There was mostly the travel of the ball. वो कह रहे सॉफ्ट हो गए. वो हमेशा से सॉफ्ट था.
Okay.
वो माइंडसेट चेंज हो गया. माइंडसेट क्या था?
हार्ड थी.
हार्ड थी. वो हमेशा से सॉफ्ट थी. वो पिछले 30 साल से सॉफ्ट थी.
तो फिर उसके बाद से you made it.
उसके बाद
You also made it a little
and the
harder.
feedback came because the balls that are used in international market they became harder. तो वो उन्होंने चेंज कर दिया, हमने नहीं करा. So there was a difference in what they were doing, what we were doing. So we were a bit late to react. Issue कुछ नहीं था.
Okay.
वो चेंज हो गया. अब वो for us to adapt to it took 1 year, not even a year. We understood this is what they want. We give it to them.
उस टाइम पे जो थोड़ा सा इमेज चेंज होता है भैया मार्केट का यार, and they shift to different brand because they want to try different brand. How do you cope up with that? You took 1 year, but वो 1 साल would have been क्या थोड़ा सा नंबर नीचे आ रहा है. हाँ. How do you cope up with that?
It was more of a mindset thing. You know, whether you, in cases like this where you've been doing something for decades, पहले तो आप मानते ही नहीं हो ना. आप कहते हो मेरा प्रोडक्ट ठीक है. तो माइंडसेट वाली बात थी. We were open to accepting.
That is very important.
Very important. okay, this is a feedback. Then we analyze, is there any merit in what they're saying? Yes, there is a merit because globally that change has already happened. So we quickly came back, went to the board, went to players, showed them what we are doing, and they were like, yeah, this is how it is. And to answer your question, market में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा.
आजा.
So obviously there were issues. Media was talking about it. Then wherever there was talk of cricket ball, there was talk of, players are not happy with the SG ball. But I think we managed that. Was sort of a crisis, but we managed it pretty well.
And I've seen a lot of associations are accepting that ball from a lot of years.
Yes.
92 से ही शायद जब BCCI से approved है तो I think
हाँ.
अब तो 36 स्टेट हो गई. 36 स्टेटों में से I think 20+ are using are SG approved. तो funnel पूरा वो बन जाता है
Top
आपका.
end में they're all using
Okay.
at the test level. Like test
टेस्ट यार एसोसिएशन में ऐसे होता है ना कि ये वाला बॉल अप्रूव्ड है, ये वाला
वो
approved है, तो
नीचे
फिर-
जो प्रैक्टिस वाला है या
जी वही वाली
डिवीजन 3 तो उधर तो और भी बॉल्स है.
नहीं डिवीजन 3 नहीं हुआ है. जैसे रणजी ट्रॉफी के में हम वी यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस विद एसजी बॉल क्योंकि हमें रणजी में एसजी मिलने वाला है. दैट नंबर आई थिंक इज 20+ एसोसिएशंस जो उसी से करती हैं, और कुछ हैं जो जहाँ पे कोई और ब्रांड भी अप्रूव्ड है.
करेक्ट.
सो देन हाउ डू यू कीप दैट, मतलब आई नो द प्रेशर of every brand to every association. How do you manage that? Yeah, that is from 92 to now.
So actually there is a team that deals with all these associations. तो ये उन्हीं का ही challenge होता है, how do they manage the order, when you get orders, you get those orders in bulk. तो जैसे सीजन स्टार्ट होता है वो ऑर्डर आ जाता है. तो आई थिंक अब आदत पड़ गई है, सिस्टम्स हैं, प्रोसेसेस है, टीम है जो मैनेज कर लेती है.
Wow. You keep a hold of that. थोड़ा सा, I know now तो you build systems like that, but you keep a hold of them every week, every month. एक बारी बैठ के.
ऑनेस्ट नहीं करता.
Wow.
वो टीम खुद करती है.
Nice. Nice, yeah. So talking about building systems, from 2003 you joined. Were the 2001 you joined. तब से सिस्टम बने हुए थे. यही सब जो हायरार्की चल रही थी कि ये डिपार्टमेंट
नहीं, ये सब इवॉल्व हुआ है यार. It's all evolved in the last 2 decades. Slowly, you learn, you see the gaps in the system, and then you plug those gaps. तो ये evolution है. It's not that you can, and you're aware of it. You're from a family who's into sports business. This is a very, very traditional. Cricket in particular is very traditional.
Yeah.
इसमें आप overnight कुछ change नहीं कर सकते. So if you have to do something, it will take a very long time.
And as a owner, you need to be patient about it. Have you ever have that habit यार, you sulk a little यार क्या है भाई, or you have it personally very relaxed and calm?
See that when you are younger, when you are in your 20s and 30s, you have that mindset where you lose patience basically. You're like, why is it not happening? But वो वाला जो फेज है ना, वो सबकी लाइफ में आता है. वो खिलाड़ी की लाइफ में भी आता है, वो प्रोफेशनल की लाइफ में भी आता है, वो एक बिजनेसमैन की लाइफ में भी आता है. And I think that is what you learn over a period of time. That if you are able to, if you keep working on improving what you are doing, आपको रिजल्ट मिल जाता है यार. Eventually मिल जाता है.
हमेशा. For everything you got that result in your career.
If you got that right, if you got that process of improving right. जैसे आपने बड़ा अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया. That was sort of a mini crisis कि Indian cricket team was complaining about the ball. अब वहां पे 2 चीजें हो सकती थी. या तो अपने आप को डिपेंड करता है, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, हमारी बॉल में कुछ नहीं हुआ है. या आप क्विकली अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, नहीं यार, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द साइकी, व्हाट आर दे थिंकिंग, बिकॉज देयर वाज डिफरेंट वॉइसेस कमिंग फ्रॉम विद इन द टीम. अब उसमें यू हैव टू टेक दैट राइट डिसीजन की बॉस मैं किस तरीके से जाऊं और क्या करके इवेंचुअली मैं इंप्रूव करूं. हाउ फास्ट डू आई इंप्रूव, और आई जस्ट बिल्ड अ वॉल ऑफ डिफेंस. तो वो एक्सपीरियंस धीरे धीरे गलती करके ही आता है.
What have made you a better leader? मतलब what do you think जैसे you said about वो वाले instance में you took the right call, or your group of are you the only one making decisions as a leader? Or
Nahin, so we obviously have a board. So the bigger decisions are made by the board. Then as a CEO, I am responsible for executing all those decisions. जो macro level पे decision है, उसको execute करने के लिए, then I step in with the team and day to day, monthly, quarterly targets, anything that is happening at my end. But when you're talking about 3 years plan, 5 years and 10 years plan, then of course the board
the board
takes
hold
the final call.
right. How far does SG plan? कितना आगे तक you guys plan?
बहुत आगे 10 साल
Yes.
हाँ
They're prepared for the next 10 years.
yeah
With all the product launches,
with all the product
timeline will
launches
change.
with all the product launches, which market, which segment, where do we do, how do we build, what's the plan, what's the strategy, वो सारा काम चल रहा है.
Wow. And how do you find a gap as a brand? यार थोड़ा यहाँ पे अभी जैसे Super 50 was a great innovation. How do you guys find it and how do you accept it? यार हाँ यार इसको कर देते लोग.
Ultimate source of that gap is your consumer.
You talk to them.
हमारा कंज्यूमर कौन है? हमारा कंज्यूमर है एक क्रिकेटर. वही आपको बता देगा आप में क्या गैप है. अगर आपके बैट में बैलेंस नहीं है वही बताएगा.
जैसे
अगर आपकी बॉल स्विंग नहीं हो रही वही बताएगा. So that gap doesn't come from here where we are. The gap doesn't even come from the stores that we are selling to or the dealers we are selling to.
Yeah.
Doesn't come from a coach also.
yeah.
जिसके हाथ में प्रोडक्ट है वो आपको गैप बता देगा.
I think I'm connecting it with Shuman. There was the arm guard thing. कहता है मेरे पिछले वाले हाथ में. So we made that arm guard for the back end. अभी दोनों में दोनों elbows के लिए चल रहा है वो. So it's the player. It's very true. But according to you, who makes a brand? A product, a player, our sellers, shopkeepers, distributors, retailers, or according to you, इन तीनों में से if you have to choose
फिर
one,
से पूछो आपने क्या पूछा है.
a product
हाँ.
builds a brand,
हाँ
a cricketer builds a brand,
हाँ
or the distribution network, dealers, retail network, distributors.
कोई भी नहीं.
Okay,
मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूँ कौन करता है. कंज्यूमर वो प्लेयर.
cricketer.
नहीं
Second one-
क्रिकेटर you were talking about an international cricketer or a brand ambassador. नहीं
No, cricketer. General.
कंज्यूमर.
Consumer or cricketer.
हाँ कंज्यूमर जो आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज करेगा इवेंचुअली वही आपको ब्रांड बनाएगा.
Wow. Any young listener listening के वो जाता है desperately कई बारी किसी रिटेल शॉप में कि प्लीज मेरा सामान रखो और बेचो किसी भी रेट पे.
हाँ.
How did you guys maintain it?
हाँ.
And how important is that?
To set the pricing of the product, it's very important to understand which segment are you addressing.
Yeah.
And I'm not talking about cricket here. I'm talking about generally any sport, any business. Who's your consumer? End consumer. Is he a professional? Is he a intermediary or is he a beginner? जब आप वो एड्रेस करोगे तो आपको वहीं से आंसर आता है कि बॉस ये क्लब क्रिकेटर है या ही इज समबडी हु इज लेट्स से प्लेइंग a sport like badminton. He's just playing for leisure. When he's playing for leisure, ठीक है, he's not somebody who's dependent on that.
Yeah.
He's just doing it for exercise, fitness. So you question yourself, मेरा वो consumer कौन है, कहाँ है, किस demographic में fall करता है,
Yeah.
what is, and where am I selling? Who's the dealer? Where is he based? Is he a tier 1, tier 2, sitting in Bombay? तो अगर बॉम्बे में मेरा डीलर बैठा है और मैं केटर कर रहा हूँ क्लब लेवल प्लेयर को टू अ डीलर लेट्स से इन अ सिटी लाइक रोहतक इन हरियाणा व्हिच इज अ टियर 2 और अ टियर 3 सिटी और वहां पे बैडमिंटन खेल रहा है तो दोनों सेगमेंट फर्क हो गया ना. सो यू हैव टू, दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. वेयर इज माय कंज्यूमर, व्हाट इज ही नीडिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट फॉर, एंड देन यू वर्क बैकवर्ड्स and do your product design, product costing based on that, and then you hit the right price.
And my second question in that was, how do you कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ कि वो सही तरीके से सही काउंटर पे बिक रहा है कि नहीं बिक रहा. कई बार लोग अंडर सेल करते हैं आजकल विद इंटरनेट कमिंग इन.
Yeah.
पहले के टाइम पे इट वाज अ लिटिल इजियर. अभी
Yeah.
चेन्नई वाले मार्केट को कई बार हर्ट होता है कि यार ये नॉर्थ में कुछ कुछ
Discount चल रहा है.
अंडर सेल हो जाता है, ओवर
हाँ.
डिस्काउंटेड हो जाता है. हाउ डू यू कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ इट एंड व्हाट आर योर एक्शंस यू टेकिंग विद इट?
See, वो जो once the product is there in the trade, वो डिस्काउंटिंग हो रही है. The only thing you can do at your end, if वो आप ही का कस्टमर है तो आप उसको सिर्फ रिक्वेस्ट ही कर सकते हो कि भाई तू इतना डिस्काउंट मत कर. Beyond that, you know, as a company, as a brand, you don't have a lot of control over what price they are selling. And eventually होता क्या है, अगर मान लो मैं बहुत ज्यादा डिस्काउंट पे बेच रहा हूँ, मैं सर्वाइव ही नहीं करूंगा. ऐसे भी बहुत केसेस होते हैं where, you know, you see people, they think they can get away by giving discounts and increasing your turnover, but ultimately that we all know that is not a sustainable model for long term.
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं आपकी, you know, the service, the quality of product, your goodwill, your relationship with the brands that you are buying, वो भी important होता ही है.
Nice. And how do you manage supplying only to limited? जैसे अभी तो मार्केट्स मोस्टली, पहले मैं क्रिकेट स्टेडियम समझता था, पिच समझता था, अभी वो मार्केट समझता था. मैं देखता हूँ कि लाइन में सारे हैं. एक लाइन में ही यार 10 डीलर्स, 10 शॉप्स. अभी सबको एसजी चाहिए. तो आप कैसे डिसाइड करते हो हु विल गेट एसजी? और अगर उसी लाइन में कोई कहता नहीं भैया मेरे से 20 लाख का एडवांस लो और मेरे को एसजी देना है, हाउ व्हाट आर योर एथिक्स अबाउट इट एंड वैल्यूज अबाउट इट?
See, as a practice, and you know, for SG to become what it has become today, हमने ना इसको open for all नहीं करा है. Never ever. So there are set parameters. There are a lot of requirements from the kind of retail experience your store is giving. You know, the longevity that you had, like somebody who opens a store. Let's say a lot of startups are happening. बंदे ने नया स्टोर खोल लिया, वो कहता है ये मेरे को डीलरशिप दे दो. तो we'd wait and watch. हमारी पॉलिसी ये नहीं है कि यार आते साथ ही comes up with a good presentation, he says I have a massive plan, make me a dealer. आप give people some time. Let them establish themselves. क्योंकि जो already established है वो 50 साल से इस ट्रेड में है. They've been here, they've grown their businesses like we have grown our business. So we've grown together. So we don't immediately go to somebody like that. We'd rather focus on people that you are with. तो इसीलिए हमारे लिमिटेड डीलर्स हैं. यू नो, वी डोंट हैव थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डीलर्स, बट उन्हीं फ्यू लिमिटेड डीलर्स में देयर आर सम हु आर डूइंग होलसेलिंग. यू नो, दे वुड probably buying from us in bulk and servicing 100 counters. तो थोड़ा different strategy है. You know, we'd rather you build with less people but try to grow it more.
Wow. बट उसको चाहिए होगा तो वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के थ्रू ले सकता है.
मिलता है माल.
That you cannot.
The SG is there in thousands of stores. Already there.
Yeah.
वो हम नहीं सर्विस कर रहे ना. See, there is
उसमें retailer doesn't say यार भैया माल इसको पहुंच गया, ये मेरी मार्केट खराब कर रहा है, something like that. Then you take some actions कि नहीं, अब वो पहुंच गया किसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के थ्रू, क्योंकि there are so many of them around the country.
इशू रहता है. But you have to address it, boss. How you address it, that's the thing, na?
There's one story which I remember very fondly is when I was just learning. I left cricket. I wanted to learn business. वो passion अभी थोड़ा जागा ही था. So you were the one who had an open mindset.
हाँ जी.
कि आना आके बैठ के and I learned so much from that half an hour conversation with you. I'm sure people listening today will learn so much from your journey. One thing you said is we learn a lot in universities, sitting in the classroom, but you learn more practically. So that thing you've done it with your son as well. I think he was 21 when he left university, so that with you, he can be groomed and he's learning a lot more practically day-to-day routines mein.
Absolutely.
And as an athlete, we learn a little bit more about how to handle success and failure. The temperament is built with that grind.
Yeah. Absolutely. Sport इतना सिखा देता है ना आपको, and especially playing competition. And I'm not saying playing competition at a very high level कि भाई मैं इंडिया ही खेल रहा हूँ. Like you played for the country, or there are so many other tennis players around me who played for the country, who played Davis Cup. ठीक है, वो डेविस कप खेल लिए, मैं नहीं खेल पाया डेविस कप, बट दैट डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस. द फैक्ट दैट वी वर कंपीटिंग, एंड यू नो व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग, यू डोंट एंड अप विनिंग ऑल द टाइम. आप सीखते क्या हो? आप फेलियर ही तो सीखते हो, हारना ही तो सीखते हो. जब घर वापस आते हो, आप जब घर आते थे तो आप यही तो सीखते थे. घर पे आके सबसे पहले पूछा जाता था, बेटा कितने रन बनाए. इमेजिन उस दिन रन नहीं बनाए. and then you have to face friends, family, everybody.
Yeah.
And that is what sport has taught you. बॉस कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, आज नहीं बने रन, कल भी जाऊंगा मैच खेलने.
Yeah.
आज नहीं हुआ, आज आज नंबर्स नहीं मिले, आज मेरा इस महीने मेरे टारगेट्स नहीं अचीव हुए, कोई बात नहीं यार,
That is where
एक महीना और आएगा.
That's why we've kept that tagline which I live by every day. It's you versus you. हर रोज तुम अपने आप से लड़ाई कर रहे हो कि चलते रहो,
Correct.
लगे रहो.
Correct.
And I love the tagline of SG as well, which is believe in. कहाँ से ये thought? Was it before you or it was your idea to get this?
It came in 2011. उससे पहले हमारी टैगलाइन थी the cricket people, SG, the cricket people. So we then wanted to change the brand identity, and so कि भाई यार ठीक है, cricket people is a strong tagline, but we didn't want people to just see the brand as a cricket brand. As a brand, we wanted to evolve and grow into becoming a global sports brand. तो अब आप अपने आप को क्रिकेट पीपल कह के स्पोर्ट्स वाली परसेप्शन तो नहीं ला सकते. सो वी डिड अ मार्केट रिसर्च, एंड दैट मार्केट रिसर्च वाज क्वाइट थरो, बोथ क्वालिटेटिव एंड क्वांटिटेटिव. और वहां से जो फीडबैक आया वो ये फीडबैक आया कि बॉस एसजी जो ब्रांड है वो एक पेरेंट या इवन टीनेजर वो तभी उसको सोचता था कि यार, बिकॉज इट वाज ऑलवेज अ प्रीमियम ब्रांड, इवन दो वी वर नॉट वेरी अग्रेसिव इन द मार्केट इन द लेट 90s लाइक वी वर डिस्कसिंग अर्लियर, बट वो ब्रांड प्रीमियम था. हमने कभी ये नहीं कहा कि बॉस एसजी का प्रोडक्ट शुड बी बिलो द मार्केट प्राइस, लेट्स कीप इट एट अ प्रीमियम प्राइस. तो वो प्रीमियम प्राइस पे एक पेरेंट का थॉट प्रोसेस और एक चाइल्ड का थॉट प्रोसेस ये था. पेरेंट कहता था बेटा तूने थोड़ा ना इंडिया खेलना है जो तू यू वांट टू बाय एसजी. दैट वाज अ परसेप्शन क्रिएटेड ऑफ द ब्रांड, राइट. तो वो परसेप्शन को अगर आप डिफाइन करो तो एक ही डेफिनेशन है कि बॉस अगर मेरे को अपने ऊपर विश्वास है और मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, देन दिस इज द ब्रांड फॉर मी. सो हाउ डू यू डिफाइन इट? अगर आपको इंग्लिश में डिफाइन करना है, बिलीव, बिकम. So that also came from that mindset of what the consumer is thinking of your brand.
Superb. Very interestingly एक point आपने बोला is थोड़ा सा प्रीमियम ही हम बेचते थे. Something any young listener listening is setting the price. We talked about it a little bit.
Yeah.
But थोड़ा सा प्रीमियम हम रखते हैं अपने आप को as a brand. But pricing में प्रीमियमनेस हम क्यों देते हैं should also be justified at times.
हाँ.
Like there should be a story behind a product, maybe there should be some USP in that product. Or so how did you decide as a brand कि थोड़ा सा premium उस time पे? Now तो SG you can be with innovation also you're charging premium, but how do you decide कि थोड़ा सा premium should always be there?
Premium positioning जो decision है ना वो that is not based out of you sitting again and deciding, okay, I want to be a premium brand. Somewhere down the line, you have to have the pulse of the market also. You can't just sit at, let's say, the market is at 100 price point and you say, I will become 110. That could probably totally go south for you.
Beautiful.
कि मैं तो सोचा था मैं premium बेचूंगा. So to take that call also, that whether you are premium, again, two factors are there. First is your product. And second is your perception in the market, in the consumer's mindset. क्या वो आपको perceive कर रहा है premium? Like, you came out with this beautiful packaging.
Thank you.
है ना? So that beautiful packaging gave the perception of premiumness.
Bat making, I wanted to have the full learnings today about the cleft coming in. According to you, are you able to manage with only JS Wright's cleft or you go with different one?
We've had a fantastic relationship with JS Wrights. If you want to get specific to a supplier, and like all businesses, अगर मैं JS Wright की बात ना करके अपने ऊपर आता हूँ, तो if you go and talk to some of our key distributors, they will also say that यार demand हमारे पास थी SG की, इन्होंने दिया नहीं. So if my customer is also feeling that, and I'm not talking about a cricket bat, I'm talking about a batting glove, or I'm talking about, let's say, a kit bag, or I'm talking about a cricket ball.
Yeah.
So those situations will be there. what is that? That's basically, you know, the difference that is created between the demand and the supply. ठीक है?
Yeah.
अब demand and supply में why cricket is unique and special? बॉस बैट बनेगा विलो से, है ना?
Yeah.
बॉल के लिए जो आपको मटेरियल चाहिए वो लेदर है, राइट? बैटिंग ग्लव के लिए भी आपको रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए, which are not synthetic.
Yeah.
They are natural resources.
True.
तो एक लिमिटेशन है, right? Today, let's say your batting glove is doing well, and tomorrow you have a demand of double of your batting gloves. You won't be able to produce overnight.
Yeah.
You won't be able to produce. है
True.
ना? ये हमारा business है. So here, pinpointing and saying कि यार ऐसी ने सप्लाई नहीं किया मेरे को जब मेरे पास डिमांड थी, या जेएस राइट ने सप्लाई नहीं किया मेरे को जब मेरे पास डिमांड थी, is something that people like to talk about. But if they understand the core of the business, boss, the core of the business is you can't put a machine here and start producing English Willow, or put a machine there and start producing 10,000 batting gloves. Your top end batting gloves. You can't do that.
Yeah.
You know that. There is a limitation of skill, there is a limitation of materials.
Yeah.
All that is there. So I hope that has answered your question. Ki, you know, we've never felt that that there was any issue with regards to supply, and सबसे ज़्यादा shortage 3-4 साल पहले थी after COVID, when there was a surge in demand. We came out with a hybrid bat. There's a laminated bat which has got English Willow on the face,
Yeah.
and we put sometimes English Willow on the back, a wastewood or a cashmere bat. And honestly, that is a brilliant product. So you have a bat at, let's say, a price point of 7,000-8,000 rupees, which plays as well as English Willow bat. अब वो माइंडसेट है ना, कंज्यूमर को क्या लगता है, यार अगर मैंने हाइब्रिड ले लिया तो मैं 10,000 रुपए खर्च कर रहा हूँ, यार ये हाइब्रिड ही तो है. बट इफ यू एक्चुअली सी दैट बैट परफॉर्म्स एज गुड एज इफ नॉट बेटर देन इंग्लिश विलो.
Is it the same ping? कुछ तो है
बेटर पिंग. इट हैज गॉट अ बेटर पिंग.
Somewhere it will be कुछ ना कुछ तो difference in
Only
in
difference is
ping
because the weight is slightly high.
higher.
तो वो इंग्लिश के साथ compete नहीं कर पाएगा. But there is that lamination, there is that glue that you apply, there is obviously a heavier wood that you're, higher density wood that you're attaching. But what I'm trying to say here is, boss, the answer is, even in cricket, the answer is innovation.
Yeah, which we should be always open to.
Of course.
आपकी लेदर बॉल वाला माइंडसेट के कुछ आता है तो यू हैव टू नॉट इनोवेशन वाज देयर बट ओपन माइंडसेट के चेंज करना है.
सुपर 50 इज द मोस्ट इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट दैट इज.
आई मीन दैट सिचुएशन व्हेन बीसीसीआई का कुछ इशू आ रहा था. आई मीन दैट. सो आई वांटेड टू नो अबाउट द स्ट्रैट्स. क्लेफ्ट आता है भैया.
हां जी.
फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. इट कम्स विद द वैक्स.
यस.
व्हेन यू टेक द वैक्स ऑफ.
हां.
एंड देन प्रोक्योर इट.
नहीं, वो वैक्स के साथ ही आता है.
Okay. आता है, but then you take the wax.
Of course, you cut it, process it. Like, see, there is no science there. जैसे बैट आप बना रहे हो, जैसे बैट हम बना रहे हैं, जैसे बैट, you know, maybe an English bat maker is making. There is actually not much of a difference there. वही बैट है, वही आप उसे कट करोगे, आप प्रेस करोगे, आप उसको शेप दोगे, आप उस पर हैंडल लगाओगे, and you cannot guarantee, no bat maker in the world can guarantee कि मैं आपको ये performance इस wood से guarantee दे रहा हूँ.
That is craftsmanship.
That is,
and
no.
And
craftsmanship is a separate issue. I'm talking about performance. I'm talking about boss, ये player के हाथ में जाएगा, वो कहेगा मैं मार दूंगा इससे लंबा छक्का. So you can't guarantee. But again, there is, like I said, you know, it's a natural material. How do you guarantee extra grains on the bat? How do you guarantee every bat will be, let's say, 1150 or 1160 grams? How do you guarantee a bat will ping and hit further? नहीं कर सकते आप guarantee. कोई भी नहीं कर सकता है.
It is subjective to a player also. It is subjective to conditions.
It is subjective to that piece of natural raw material.
जी.
अभी डीलर जाके बोलते हैं हमको ग्रेन भी चाहिए, हमें पिंग भी चाहिए, हमें वेट भी चाहिए, हमें प्रोफाइल भी चाहिए. वो सारे बैट तो नहीं बन सकते ना ऐसे.
But are you able to treat everyone with the same grading? Because market is huge. It's like 1,000 plus dealers. I'm assuming it. You must be having. So are you able to give the similar grading? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं मुश्किल है सबको खुश करना with the grading especially.
See, grading बहुत subjective है. Subjective क्या है? There are markets, and again I would not say कि एक particular dealer या distributor है. There are markets where the consumer's mindset is different. वो ना grain गिन के बैट खरीदता.
जी.
Then there is another market where अरे यार इसमें mark आ गया. There is a blemish on the bat.
Yeah.
So he would leave it if there are less grains. He would leave it if there are blemishes. तो वो बहुत ज्यादा scope ऐसा है तो उसमें you have to just this is what we have.
Yeah.
आपको चाहिए आप इससे खेलो रन बनेगा. You will be able to play cricket.
Yeah.
वो mindset रखना पड़ता है.
इसमें भैया
Patience चाहिए.
इसमें I think you're the best man to answer this. Is I've seen a player, Jeremy JS Wright के Insta पे there was a post of Bairstow's bat. He posted that specifically. कि player भी दाग वाले bat से खेलते हैं. So are we as a brand able to promote that? क्योंकि हम नहीं कर पाते हैं. A lot of places everybody wants a cleaner bat. Especially a new brand coming in, वो चाहेगा कि यार उसके bat similar looking या better looking लगे from an existing brand. So how do you what is that psyche behind and can we change that of a market? जैसे अभी हार्दिक का बैट या केएल का बैट दाग वाले बैट एक्सेप्ट करते हैं players?
Players are doing it now.
Okay.
If you talk about international players, they have become more open to a bat with a lot of redwood or a bat with some blemishes, as long as baki parameters, you know, the shape, the balance, the handle, and the punch is there.
Yeah. So
तो वो वाला mindset है, you know, somewhere down the line, the player is willing to accept it. वो consumer हो गया. जो बीच में trade है ना, वो I think the trade is stuck there. No, ये भी दे दो, ये भी दे दो, ये भी दे दो, और साफ भी दे दो. So that is where probably there is a, you know, a mindset issue, you know, like open-minded नहीं है कि यार this sometimes is irrelevant. You know, you're aware of it. You know, sometimes you as a cricketer, you've been aware of it. जब आप खेल रहे हो, आपको मिल गया बहुत बढ़िया बैट, right? It looks brilliant, feels brilliant. वो मारता ही नहीं है. हुआ है ना ये? हर के करियर में, हर क्रिकेटर के करियर में, every cricketer, from Mr. Gavaskar till somebody like Ayush Matre, who's the new sensation for us.
Yeah.
He would come back and say, yes, you are right. मेरे को 4 बैट आए थे. This one is not hitting the way the other 3 are hitting, but that could have been the most good-looking bat.
Yeah. Wow. How can we change it for the trader? Can we change it?
ऐसी change होगा.
बातें कर करके.
ऐसे change होगा.
Nice. So this is your warehouse. Where
so this
all
is
the stock is.
Yeah, this is the domestic warehouse. तो जो domestic market cater होती है वो यहाँ से cater होती है. So we have various, obviously there is a huge range, you know, we have like 100 SKUs. तो वो सारे यहाँ पे they're all lined up here, and then from here the orders which are pumped in, the orders which are there in the system, they are executed from the warehouse over here.
जैसे भी बैट पड़े हैं रैक्स में, कुछ इसकी हमने शेल्फ लाइफ आप रखते हो एज अ ब्रांड यार इतना के बाद
we
अंडर सेल और सेल
we work on a seasonal basis, like, you know, one season is winter is one season कि बस मेरा winter शुरू होएगा, we start supplying for winter, let's say August, September, October, build up to that winter season, and the summer starts from, you know, supplying as early as end Jan, and पूरा मई जून तक वो सप्लाई करो. तो 2 सीजन है. सो आइडियल सिचुएशन है इसकी, बस मेरे 2 सीजन में बैट मतलब एक सीजन में 6 मंथ साइकिल में निकल जाए.
कभी हुआ ऐसा कि स्टक रहा कुछ थोड़ा परसेंटेज?
बिल्कुल रहता है.
एंड व्हाट डू यू डू विद दैट? डिस्काउंट जैसे TODs आप सीन व्हिच यू आर वेरी गुड एट.
डिस्काउंट देके आप निकाल दीजिए उसमें.
सुपर. ओके, विल पिक एनी बैट.
ये उठा लेते हैं, ये बड़ा
न्यू स्टिकर रेंज
स्पेशल बैट है. हाँ,
दिस इज हार्दिक. अच्छा, एक चीज आप बहुत अच्छी करते हो, जैसे हार्दिक की रेंज है तो वो टॉप प्राइसिंग से मिडिल एंड सो 3 प्राइस रेंज यू सेट फॉर वन प्लेयर. थॉट बिहाइंड इट? मैं खुद सीखना चाहता हूँ ये चीज. व्हाट इज द साइकी बिहाइंड सेटिंग 3 प्राइस रेंज फॉर हार्दिक? सी हार्दिक रेंज.
सो यू हैव, लाइक आई सेड, यू नो, कंज्यूमर कौन है आपका? क्या आप सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर को केटर करना चाहते हो, और somebody who can afford it, or you want to cater it to intermediary, जैसे वो क्लब प्लेयर हो गया
जी,
or to somebody who's
below that
probably doesn't have that much budget to spend on a cricket bat. तो आपको हार्दिक का बैट फ्रॉम अ रिटेल प्राइस ऑफ लेट्स से 25 to 27,000 it can go as high as 110,000 or 120,000. So you are catering to the entire segment there. So that's the thought process. Clearly that's the thought.
सभी को
सबको आप cater करो. And then of course we've come out with junior bats also. So a kid whose hero is KL Rahul or whose hero is Hardik Pandya or a Rishabh Pant or a Sanju Samson. तो उसको भी वो सर्विस हो जाती है ना at that junior level.
ग्रेट माइंडसेट। आप हर एक को कवर कर लिया तो एसजी ने पूरी हर एक कस्टमर को पहुंच पा रहा है विद दैट रेंज। दिस इज ब्रिलियंट। ये हमेशा से था भैया, लाइक आई कैन गो 15 इयर्स बैक
नहीं था
सप्लाई और
सैनिटनी एक ही प्राइस सैनिटनी एक ही प्राइस पे होता था।
अच्छा।
सैनिटनी यूज्ड टू बी द ग्रेड 1 बैट, तो वो ग्रेड 1 पे ही मिलता था। सैनिटनी फिर बड़ा एस्पिरेशनल हो गया था यार, सैनिटनी है तेरे पास तो भाई तू बड़ा ही प्लेयर होगा जो सैनिटनी से खेल रहा है। बट टुडे somebody is let's say inspired by a particular cricketer, let's say Sanju है या ईशान किशन है, he's been playing, he's number 1 T20 batter now. अगर मैं inspired हूँ और you know if he is my hero, then there is a junior bat also for Ishan Kishan, for that kid कि यार मेरे पास तो I have the same profile, I have the same sticker that Ishan is using.
I'm a big fan of you especially, and also some of the brands who are the market leaders in cricket, is how you guys sign players. So how do you guys decide? Yeah, it's a risk you're taking as a brand because you're investing your profit to the player, and obviously every player deserves it, is what we feel, or the player also feels it. But आप कैसे decide करते हो? SG कैसे decide करता है कि ये वाले players पे we should be going with that timeline?
See, you know, when you are signing a athlete for being your brand ambassador, I would, term that process very similar to when you are, when you're really young and you are making new friends. और थोड़ा Indian version उसका ये है कि जैसे आप, you choose a life partner.
Wow.
कि बॉस
love nicely put up.
हाँ कि भाई ये that's a relationship. That is a relationship that we've had since Mr. Gavaskar's days with Mr. Azharuddin, with Mr. Dravid. तो ये पुराने legendary नाम है जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। अभी young तो बहुत सारे नाम है, मतलब बोलूंगा तो 10 मिनट तो उसी में लग जाएंगे।
जी।
ठीक है। So all those relationships were built over a period of time, and they were not built कि यार बस here is a check, put my sticker on and now we will pay you for this service. तो वो वाली relationship नहीं है। वो relationship है believe become की। उनको हम पे belief था, हमको उन पे belief था। जब वो चीज आ जाती है ना, then it is not about how much am I paying him or how much do I make. And वो एक yardstick भी है to gauge for any new brand. भाई ये सिर्फ I'm paying, he's coming to me, or he actually believes in my product and my story.
Wow.
तो बड़ा simple answer है।
But 100 plus players at the moment. SG has how many players?
We have about in our roster about 200 players from first class cricket to international level.
And everyone is been taken care of. And how much personally you are able to be taking care of that player?
See, again, we have a massive sports marketing team, which my son Arav is now he's looking after all the top guys, the international creators, and then there is a team who's depending upon what level you are playing. So there is a manager attached to it who's servicing you. And वो process system बहुत robust है.
Still
वो
challenging.
situation मेरे पास तभी आती है जब कोई crisis आ जाता है.
जैसे challenging इसके अभी IPL आ गई.
हाँ.
अभी you got 50 plus players in IPL. कल कम ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं 100.
नहीं. About 40 overall.
And everybody wants stuff at the same time.
वो बहुत IPL is the toughest period, because a lot of international cricketers also come at that time. So, like I've been saying, it's all about understanding that, आज की डेट में अगर मेरे को relationship भी maintain करनी है उस athlete से, उसको service चाहिए. So, are we geared up to provide that service or not? तो वो service build कर दो आप, and you'll be able to service that many cricketers even more. So we've been focusing on, as a brand, how do we provide that?
And how do you decide the budget for per year? कि इतना we should be investing in a player?
Budget obviously is linked to your top line, right? And budget is also at times it's also linked not to the revenue you can get out of it, but it's the brand visibility that is created. So somewhere down the line, abhi ho bhi yahi hai, especially cricket, more so in India, and you're aware of it, everybody's aware of it, ki with the sport growing and the eyeballs that the sport gets, there is a cost attached to it.
Yeah.
So my suggestion to anybody listening would be this only, that you have to be very, very careful. That cost is pretty high. वो लगता है कि that is sustainable, but in most of the cases, newer brands which have come, not in India, I'm saying, but globally, they've realized that if you get into it, probably the return is it won't come within a year or 2 years. It will take a long time.
And it used to be पहले के टाइम से अब में जो भैया players take for every contract from 2000 to now, वो change जितना आया है और वो बढ़ ही रहा है अभी, मतलब and still you're still signing players, जैसे अभी MRF के होते हुए और भी brands के होते हुए, but those giants you're still able to sign players.
Yeah, because we've also created business around it. It's not that players are not helping growing your business. So if the business has grown, there is a direct link to the visibility that is created through them.
Yeah.
So chicken and egg wali situation hai.
Brilliantly done how you guys take care of it with 40 plus पे हर एक को समान टाइम पे बना, मेरे को तो पता है. I've seen it in the past as well कि कैसे issues आते थे यार, सामान नहीं पहुंच रहा. Sometimes you're saying कि यार निकल गया है, actually फैक्ट्री में होता है. There's a lot of excuses. Sometimes you have, I have heard few of them in the past. One of the signings there've been a lot of brilliant signings for SG, but one on the top of your head, you think, yeah, wow, that player we signed now helped the brand the most. Nothing disrespectful to any player, but any one player, good name?
I think if you talk about a player who's made a massive difference, वो ना हर era में एक player होगा. So it would not be one player who could have done it for almost 100 years. तो वो हर era में कोई ना कोई आया है. Let's say Mr. Gavaskar made an impact in the 80s. In the 90s, it was Mr. Azharuddin. Late 90s, and Rahul Dravid became, he started endorsing our product with gloves, pads, logo on the bat. Then there was Sehwag, then Rena came in, then Pujara came in, then Hardik came in, then KL. So you can't, depend on one player to last for 100 years. तो वो हर era, हर decade में कोई ना कोई आएगा और वो contribute करके जाएगा.
If I'll pick first era, early era,
Mr. Gavaskar, no doubt.
Legend. I've never seen him bat. That मतलब सुना बहुत था कि that time, और अभी वीडियोस हम देखते हैं how brilliant he was. Next, after him, next era.
When he retired, or when he was not in the team, then Mr. Azharuddin was there. And Mr. Azharuddin was probably in his last leg, then Rahul Dravid was there. तो ऐसे करते करते वो चलता चला जा रहा है.
एक कमाल की स्टोरी मैंने सुनी है. There was a player who, I think आपकी स्टोरी है, आपकी किसी को बता रहे थे, and we picked up that कि there was a player whom you supported from when he was younger, and kept playing domestic cricket, went to the grind, Ranji Trophy खेला, फिर Indian team में आया, and when he reached Pakistan, he played with a CAA bat.
Correct.
Tell us about that.
So obviously that cricketer was being serviced by us, and when that cricketer reached Pakistan, one of his friends, who was our friend also, said that now we have to give him a contract because he's going to be visible on TV. So that time my uncle was looking after the players, and he said, let him come back from the tour and then we will sit on a contract because now it is too sudden to take a call. You know, you're not in India also. तो उतने में क्या हुआ वहां पे there was the brand, they offered him money and he said, okay, I'll put a sticker. And, you know, for a youngster, you don't think of anything else. आप ये सोचते हैं यार ठीक है. But when he came back and then it was just like a one-off deal. At our end, we were probably not as open to what had happened in Pakistan. We were like,
Yeah.
हाँ. तो ये story थी.
Do you still feel के should have been a little more open? के
Yeah.
you feel that?
तो
Yeah.
अब क्या है कि अब things are different, you know. You are dealing with a generation that we were just earlier talking about.
Yeah.
Because it's quick. Tell us. You know, they don't have patience. They will not wait for anything.
Yeah.
So we've also adapted with that because whatever this younger generation wants, you have to give it to them.
Great. Okay, Bhaji, now talking about bat making a little bit here.
Yeah.
Is cleft आती है from England and then you wax it, you store it. Then what is next? Is it the handle fixing और पहले आप cleft को press करते हो? This is a little bit of secret, थोड़ा बहुत.
हाँ.
You couldn't go in there, but
So both the processes are there. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बिना हैंडल के प्रेस नहीं करते या हैंडल के साथ ही प्रेस करते हो. So there are certain bats that we press and put a handle. There are certain bats that we, you know.
which is better? Any young listener who wants to make a bat?
I would say that pressing without the handle would be better. My personal
Reason?
preference is. Reason, traditionally, when you're not making a lot of bats, अभी pressure होता है. Yeah? When we have to produce so many bats in a day, so you want to fast forward the process. But your traditional slow process है ना, वो यही है कि बस press करो फिर handle लगाओ. That's it. When you're not in a hurry, when you don't want to churn around, like we produce 3,000 bats in a day.
English and Kashmiri mix.
तो अब 3,000 बैट्स में ना इतना प्यार वो थोड़ा लिमिटेड बैट्स को मिलता है, you know, the premium bats, the ones which are entry level bats, so they move more like how product is probably mechanized. But those premium products, they get that special attention.
Okay, so without handle pressing, when you're fixing a handle, but थोड़ा कच्चा रखते हैं बैट के बाद में एक बार ये और राउंड प्रेसिंग का चलाते हैं.
हाँ, so that you do.
Yeah. And then उसके बाद बफ लगी और वो सब लगा.
Like we were earlier discussing,
जी.
there is no science there. बैट आज ही वैसे ही बन रहा है जैसे 100 साल पहले बन रहा है.
But you ट्रांसफॉर्म और एवोल्यूशन आया कि अभी CNC में भी आप बैट बनाते हो तो
That just does one process.
okay.
It's not how ultimately a bat is finished. It's
That is
just
just
a process.
okay, one of the process.
One of the processes.
shaping
Correct.
pieces से जो थोड़ी होती है. But that gives you consistency.
नहीं, consistency तो because end में तो हाथ से ही बनाना है ना हमने.
उसके बाद फिर से
हाँ.
कुछ फर्क पड़ता है भैया मार से उसमें CNC की मशीन के बाद जब चल रहा है कुछ भी नहीं.
In our case, why we gone that route is because of the scale we want to achieve. अगर ideally if you ask me, I would say कि यार by hand ही कर दो आप. But if it's more of craftsmanship, you know, bat making is craftsmanship. It is not product being manufactured in a factory or in a, you know, in a mechanized setup. वो craftsmanship रहनी चाहिए bat making में तो.
Nice. सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज एज अ बैट मेकर इज वेट सही लेके आना. Do you get heavy clips
Both.
and how?
There are two challenges. One
Okay.
is the weight of the bat, especially in this weather when you have
Yeah.
a lot of rain. And the other challenge is, you know, when you start processing a clean willow bat, and then once you made the bat, there is some
Bad
damage
idea.
that comes out. So that is a challenge which is something that has the maximum impact on your costings. ये दोनों चीजें ना, where then you are stuck with inventory which is paid for in advance,
Yeah.
and you're stuck with it. You are not able to get a
Return of that product.
consumer for it, you know, a buyer for it.
For the
यही तो
dry,
challenge है.
for the drying, especially in this weather or the winters,
Yeah.
what does SG do के कुछ control कर पाए?
So we have chambers where, you know, we put bats for some time, but again, it's a very temporary phase. You know, you dry them. When you bring it out, it takes not even a day for the moisture to get into the bat. तो ये challenge तो historically रहा ही रहा है, and more so now because the market is aware now. People, you see so many videos, you will put it on a weighing scale and say, look at the weight of the bat.
दिखाना भी कस्टमर को वही दिखाना है भाई, वेट
हाँ,
ये वेट पे आ रहा है।
तो वो चैलेंज तो है, वो बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है।
भाई एक एसजी के बैट्स की ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पहले अर्ली इयर्स टू लास्ट 6-10 years आई वुड से, वो एक इमेज भी चेंज हुई है कि दैट्स, आई थिंक पहले के टाइम पे देयर वाज अ डोमिनेशन एज अ मार्केटिंग एंड ब्रांड, आई वुड से द प्रोडक्ट वाज ऑलवेज इन देयर, टीम में भी था, बट एज अ प्रोडक्ट आई फील के अभी जो मार एसजी के बैट मारता है, वो चेंज कैसे किया है?
वो चेंज टू फोल्ड है, you know, one is how do you, even though like we were talking earlier कि raw material आपका natural resource है, so how do you bring that level of performance and consistency is finding, you know, क्या gap रहा, where have I missed out, what is it that is not right, how do I correct it. तो वो सारा का सारा जो process है to get that right is just finding the right mix. तो है वही raw material, उसी को आप everybody is pressing it on the same machines, but एक जो mix है, you know, which is our strength here, कि boss वो वाला जो formula है कि आप उसको how do you get everything right, the density of the wood, the compression, what kind of handle, वो वाली जो art है उस पे हम लोग, you know, we work a lot on that. So that is something that, you know, if you ask me or if anybody would want to learn, कि भाई मुझे बता दो मैं कर लूंगा, वो इतना easy नहीं है. It's by experience. You keep making mistakes, you keep doing it over batches, and then you set it right in your conditions with your technology, with your machine. तो वो बहुत ज्यादा individual company का अपना वो होगा, like it will be something that you can find out for yourself what works for me, not what the other person is doing. Maybe there is a factory in UK, they are doing it in a different way.
Very good.
That may not work for us to follow what they are doing.
Yeah.
Or what we are doing may not work for another brand. तो हर ब्रांड का, हर बैट मेकर का अपना ही स्टाइल है, और उसमें भी ना कोई राइट और रॉन्ग नहीं है,
हर एक का
उसमें भी कोई राइट और रॉन्ग नहीं है, उसमें बस ये है कि बॉस ये मेरा प्रोडक्ट है and I'm keeping it there and I will show it to 10 people. Whether 3 are liking it, whether 4 are liking it, whether 5 are liking it, or 7 are liking. If you've got 7 people to like your product, I think you're doing a good job. तो वो, we were talking earlier about, एक बंदा कहता है ग्रेन दे दो, दूसरा कहता है मुझे साफ दो. अब कौन सा अच्छा है कौन सा नहीं है हमें तो नहीं पता ना. And you can't explain them, भाई तू गलत है या तू सही है. तो ये इतना ज्यादा डाइवर्स है ना. इट्स नॉट जस्ट लाइक अ टेनिस बॉल और अ टेनिस रैकेट की भाई यार ये मोल्ड निकाला, ले जा भाई तू ले जा ना. और क्रिकेटर, तुम क्रिकेटर हो, तुम्हें पता है क्रिकेटर का दिमाग कैसे चलता है.
मुझे याद आ रहा है when I started learning about bat making, it was very similar to batting in the middle. क्योंकि हर रोज पिच एक तरीके से नहीं खेल रही, बॉल गेम है, बॉल अलग तरीके से खेल रही है. सेम इज फॉर द वुड. इतनी बारीकी और इतनी चेंजेस हो रही हैं विद वेदर, विद द मार्केट, विद द प्लेयर. इट्स ब्रिलियंट. मतलब वो ही सबसे इंट्रीगिंग है आई थिंक इन क्रिकेट, बैट मेकिंग स्पेशली. ब्रिलियंटली. यू नो हाउ टू रंदा चलाना थोड़ा बहुत?
नहीं,
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. You think it matters certain craftsmen making a bat? You have certain, कैसा नहीं है कि यार चल एक पे या दो पे तीन पे. मैंने सुना है कई फैक्ट्रीज में there is dependency on a lot of specific craftsmen.
Bat ना, it's not so much about the bat making or the technology that you have or the quality of good that you have. The quality of good that you have, sorry. ये it's more here. Again that same thing. Blemish है, grain है, नहीं है. It's how do you impact the thought process of your consumers.
Nice.
उनको believe कराना है that this is right for you.
I think
हम लोग अभी यही बात कर रहे थे कि अच्छा बैट तो बहुत आसान है बेचना, but how do you sell an average bat? वो आर्ट है.
वही आर्ट है. I think वो आर्ट आप में है.
जो बैट अच्छा नहीं है वो नहीं बिकता, जो अच्छा है वो सब बेच रहे हैं. how do you sell which is not an excellent brand or a brilliant product?
वो आर्ट है. How do you sell? क्योंकि I think the day you joined थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट OEM से ब्रांड में आया, मार्केटिंग में आया. So what did you do differently?
See, at SG for us, we believe consumer is the king.
Yeah.
ना
We also believe same.
ना आप हो ना ट्रेड है, वो बंदा जो आपका प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहा है, यू हैव टू गेट इनटू हिज माइंडसेट एंड अंडरस्टैंड ए व्हाट ही वांट्स एंड बी हाउ यू कैन इन्फ्लुएंस हिम. दोनों चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है.
ऐसी कैसे करता है?
उसके दिमाग में घुस के
कैसे?
वो घुस गया, ऐसी तो घुस गया दिमाग में. कैसे घुसा वो हमें नहीं पता.
नहीं, वो आपकी मेहनत है. आई वुड से फ्रॉम टॉप टियर टू एवरीवेयर.
कैसे एसजी घुसा है वो एसजी को पता है, यू नो. एंड ऑल्सो व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू आवर डिस्कशन एंड यू सेंट मी द ब्रीफ यस्टरडे, तो उसमें एक चीज थी, आपने कहा था कि आप एसजी कैसे बने, यू नो, हाउ डिड एसजी बिकम व्हाट इट हैज बिकम टुडे. So it has not become what it has become because of today, because of yesterday, because of 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. SG has become what it has become because of 95 years. उन 95 years में जो जो चीजें प्री इंडिपेंडेंस हुई होंगी, उन्होंने आज एसजी को बनाया. तो अब आप ये बोलो कि मुझे बताओ ये कैसे होगा, तो वो तो बता ही नहीं सकते. Because there are hundred of things which I don't even know. I am also not aware of why SG is what SG is today.
Nice. How much share you think you every year you calculate every year कि इतना शेयर हमारा मार्केट में है, इतना हमें इस साल और कैटर करना है?
हाँ, we do. We obviously do a lot of work on our market share, areas where we've done well, areas where
You to work on.
we've lagged behind. तो डिटेल में वो काम होता है. Then there are teams which collaborate, the sales people giving their feedback, product people who take that feedback, work on the product, and then we go back to the marketing ki boss. How do we get that mix right? And again go back to the market next year and see how we can improve, how we can again influence the mindset.
Percentage wise कितना होगा
Market share
of SG?
So when you're saying, you are talking about
Cricket mode.
leather ball cricket, and we are not
Overall
at
cricket.
all talking about the tennis ball and the tennis.
नहीं, everything.
बहुत छोटा होगा यार हमारे पास, बहुत छोटा होगा. मार्केट शेयर है ही नहीं. So cricket is so big, and it is big at that tennis ball bat level. It is big at that tennis ball level. It is big at that unorganized level. It is now getting bigger at the D2C level. तो वो वाला तो बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है. अगर आप वो वाली मार्केट की बात कर रहे हो जो ये few thousand retailers are selling, yes, I would say we would be 20-25%. बट अगर आप ओवरऑल क्रिकेट की बात करोगे तो हम 5% भी नहीं है.
Wow.
Because cricket is big, but not at the price point and at the segment that the brands are operating through the traditional distribution network.
And you think हर साल वो शेयर बढ़ रहा है तो आपका शेयर भी उसमें 20 से 25 से 30 होते रहना चाहिए?
Some years it grows, some years it goes down. जब नए ब्रांड आ जाते हैं तो वो हमारा शेयर ले जाते हैं.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. If you're starting a new brand, again, my question was a new brand. If you would want to start now, or any youngster listening at this moment, what would you do to get the market share a little bit?
दो ही चीजें हैं बॉस. One is what is the problem that you're solving, है ना? And दूसरी, how are you doing it? You know?
Yeah.
Problem solving उसका mind है. How are you doing it is your process. So you have to have that mindset that मैं अगर ये product लेके आ रहा हूँ, मैं क्या problem solve कर रहा हूँ? What is the problem that Tarwar Kohli as a cricketer has that SG as a brand can solve? Tarwar Kohli ये बोलेगा, और आपका बैटरी बैलेंस बहुत अच्छा है, and I love the handle.
Yeah.
We've got into your head.
Yeah.
That's the answer. You know, it's not just the product. It's not just marketing or advertising कि मैं चिल्ला के बोलूँ रे मैं एसजी हूँ, मैं नंबर 1 हूँ वर्ल्ड में. उससे नहीं होगा. what are you thinking as a consumer of the brand? If you're thinking positive, if you're thinking, yes, I'm solving something for you. If you think that, boss, ये बैट लेके मैं वीकेंड में जाऊंगा, सबसे लंबा छक्का मारूंगा, सेल हो गई.
Class.
ऐसे नहीं, इधर से.
Yeah. Amazing, well. Competition? You think of anyone as competition?
No, everybody is competition,
Everybody.
and I'm telling you, without competition, you cannot grow. अगर आपका competition खत्म हो गया है ना, it does two things. A, it will slow your progress as a brand. आप improve ही नहीं करोगे. And B, it will make you arrogant. और दोनों चीजें detrimental हैं for an organization and for a human organ. So
Wow.
competition तो must है. And sometimes, you want competition also to come up. तो भाई मुझे और आगे जाना है, तुम भी तो अब आओ.
Wow. Abhi lately I saw SG in Indian team had 8 players. So, matlab, how do you do that?
So, if we just go back to pre-COVID time, or maybe a little bit more, 10 years from now, तो आप अगर इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट देखते हैं, अगर आप आईपीएल भी देखते हैं, अगर आप इंडियन टीम को देखते हैं, फोकस इज ऑन इंडियन टीम, बिकॉज दैट्स द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड मोस्ट वॉच्ड टीम इन द वर्ल्ड.
Yeah.
तो हमारा जो वहां पे प्रेजेंस था थोड़ा कम हो गया था. लाइक वी वुड नॉट बी डोमिनेटिंग. And all these things that, we were talking about, what is the problem that you are solving? What is it that the cricketer wants, a batsman wants, or a bowler wants when we're talking about cricket ball? तो वो सारी चीज पे काम करके, इनोवेशन करके, चेंजेस लाके, प्रोडक्ट बना के, when you bring it out to the consumer who's the cricketer, उसकी वैलिडेशन ये है कि, when we were playing test cricket, in fact, we will play a test match very soon. One we played last summer in England. So there were 8 SG players in the team.
Yeah, that's what I'm, उसी
So
time के बाद.
वही, all those things put together of what we've been talking about, product, innovation, mindset, and getting it right, got you that association with those players and an endorsement that, boss, this product is good to go. So
Yeah.
that difference happened in the last, I would say, a decade. And we want to build on that momentum, and how do we keep getting better?
Nice.
आइडिया सिर्फ वही है, हाउ वो जो वाव फैक्टर है ना, कि यार वो कंज्यूमर, वो बैट्समैन को बैट उठाते ही बोलना चाहिए, यार मजा आ गया. बॉलर बॉल डाल रहा है, कह रहे क्या स्विंग आ रही है, यार मजा आ गया. स्पिनर ने पकड़ लिया, कह रहे क्या ग्रिप बन रही है. तो जो पैशन है, जो जुनून है ना, वो इज नॉट टू बिल्ड, लेट्स से, अ ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट्स ब्रांड. द पैशन इज द प्रोडक्ट, द पैशन इज द अल्टीमेट सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ द कंज्यूमर.
And you check every product which is being launched उससे पहले, launching से पहले, कि यार इसमें वो feel आ रही है.
हाँ, थरो प्रोसेस.
Thorough process. And for bats, do you randomly check बीच में जाके?
हाँ, मेरे को बड़ी बुरी आदत है. हाँ, इनफैक्ट मेरी टीम को भी ये पता रहता है कि यार ये झक्की है, कभी भी आ जाएगा, बैट देखेगा और हमें पकड़ लेगा.
Which is important as a manufacturer.
हाँ, मतलब obviously I'm not day to day involved in production, but वो कीड़ा होता है.
Yeah, that you need.
बैट देखोगे आप फटाफट, सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे, हाँ यार ये अच्छा लग रहा है यार, ये बैट.
हमें तो एज अ क्रिकेटर, बैटर स्पेशली आते हैं, मैं तो बिना बैट के भी ऐसे एक्शन करता
You can relate it to.
भैया, एक ब्रांड, एक मैन्युफैक्चरर जो मार्केट में अपना प्रोडक्ट बेचता है बट मार्केटिंग नहीं करता, तो लगता है कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट ही अच्छा है, वो बिक रहा है. कंपेयरिंग टू नाउ एसजी और एनी ब्रांड who does a lot of marketing, branding.
Yeah.
You think उसका भी माल बिकता है, एसजी भी बिकता है, बट द डिफरेंस इज एक्चुअली मार्केटिंग, ब्रांडिंग. हर एक को उतना लेवल पे करना चाहिए, और लोग क्यों नहीं कर पाते आपके हिसाब से?
So, if I've understood correctly, you're saying that there is a brand which is not doing marketing.
मार्केटिंग नहीं कर रहा,
but
प्रोडक्ट
it is
बहुत
selling.
अच्छा है.
But it is selling. And then there is a brand which is a leader in the category doing a lot of marketing and selling.
Not even a leader.
But doing a lot of marketing.
हाँ.
So, in the long term, I would say that marketing to must have, for you to build sustainability, for you to ensure that there is demand not just for now, but there is demand for future. तो वो product आपका is then it's not creating that pull. वो सिर्फ push based हो गया. And push based में ना आपको any new entrant will come in your place, give a better deal, make a better product than you, and replace you. But if the consumer is asking for your product, then it's not easy for you to be replaced at that counter. फिर mindset वाली बात होगी.
भैया अगर एसजी को दोबारा आप कभी सोचो इन योर ड्रीम्स इन योर थॉट कि यार दोबारा से शुरू करूंगा और कुछ डिफरेंट अगर करना चाहोगे तो क्या करोगे आप?
अगर कुछ डिफरेंट करना है एंड टू रीस्टार्ट करना है, आई थिंक वन थिंग SG would have done or should do is probably what we discussed, that the launch of the products. That launch, how do you launch it? How do you measure success? How do you measure failure of those launches? That process would probably be a lot more scientific, more data driven than just going by the gut. We are very, very that way is very traditional in our mindset, and sometimes it is good also to trust your gut, but the learnings that we've had in almost 100 years, वो यही है कि बस there is a better way of doing that launch and gauging the success and failure of the launch.
Wow. And we have any young owner who wants to start a brand and reach the success which SG has got from एक दिन में तो हुआ नहीं है. 95 years it's been now. आपको लगे हैं यहाँ पहुंचने के लिए, but if one thing he would want to learn from your journey, what would that be?
See, the most important thing is for any story to reach this level, you have to have the right vision. And एक बार जब आपकी vision clear है, okay, this is what I want to achieve, the rest will follow. You will find a way.
Wow.
And the vision vision is not just scale. Vision is not कि बस मेरे को इतना revenue करना है, इतना profit करना है. That vision is, where do I see myself in 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years? So that aspect, I think I see in a lot of organizations is missing. क्योंकि जो main focus रहता है ना, that is on numbers, that is on profitability, that is on making more margins. But वो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप विजन पे क्लियर हो ना, फिर आप क्या करोगे, जो भी इधर उधर जा रहा है आप उसको बोलोगे बेटा इधर आ जा, ट्रैक पे आ जा, ये विजन यहाँ है, इसी ट्रैक से जाएगी विजन. तो हमारी विजन यहाँ लगी हुई है. यहाँ छाप भी है कि
पढ़ते रहो रोज.
नहीं, एक बंदे को भाई ये पढ़ते हुए जाओ, पढ़ते हुए आओ. अगर अलाइन नहीं हो तो फटाफट अलाइन हो जाओ.
Great. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Thank you so much. I hope with a lot of young listeners and current brand owners and manufacturers who are aspiring to reach the level of yours, including myself, would learn from it and find a way. So that was Paras Juni Bhaiya, who has done justice to his family's generational brand and has taken SG to the scale where it is now. And we all, I hope, learn from this. Any single thing you learned from his journey, which you loved about this podcast of ours, please mention in our comment section and we keep finding the way. Thank you.